let's fix Instagram app not opening. So for this, if Instagram app is not working or not opening, there might be two reasons. There might be a problem with Instagram itself, or otherwise its server may be down. So let's check server first of all. So go to your Google or Safari, whatever the web browser you're comfortable with, and search for Instagram is down. Instagram is down. So if you click on down detector, go to there and indicate no current problems. If it indicates no current problems, that is absolutely well and good. If not, make sure you wait for Instagram servers to be good. So if it is good, go to your Instagram app info. Here, click on clear data. After that, uninstall the app and make sure you reinstall the app. And this is how you can fix Instagram app not opening. And after that, it will fix your problem. Thank you.